guys, welcome back to Bit Wars. This is gonna be one of the most boring videos ever because I'm using Kalia, guys. I'm gonna be gen camping the more than half the video, and I'm gonna gen camp. Guys, look at yellow. Look at yellow. Oh my god.
あ、だからそういうふうに豚汁とかしちゃったら
豚汁とか美味しい好きだってだから味噌汁全部いっぱいだからごぼうの味はごぼう好きじゃないのが嫌いじゃないだからいつも豚汁に入れてでも飲める
ごぼう入れると違うもんね。
違う味が違うんだけど大丈夫飲めるだけど豚だけいつもなんで豚入れるの
Guys, 7 iron. Oh my god. Is that thing gonna get cheaper, honey?
It's a bit at the bottom there, but it's covered by salt. So I only can see at the top one.
ああ
I'm on the cruise because
Very
I'm
grown.
going to go somewhere. Because I went on a holiday.
お上
I'm taking it the cruise back to my country.
おじいちゃんね。
おぎがなんか言って
おじいちゃんね。
はい
トンドってこう大きなファイヤーね。ファイヤーね。
キャンパイアみたいな
そうそうそう。で餅を食べ、そばも食べました。おそばね。そばも食べました。炭水化物ばっかりですが、炭水化物って。
カーボハイドレートね
そう。おじいちゃんにこのお肉をあげればよかったね。
餅とかね全部
Okay, I reached my house, my
そ
country.
こに食べたねみんなの
I
お
reached
家
my
で
country.
そうそうそうよかったね
Lord Talia.
I reached my house.
そうそうまあそういうでいいんだね毎日話してほんとそれがリレーションシップもちょっと良かったになってる
よかったね。悪かったかな。
いや悪くないもう心配しあパパで
ちょっとルーム行くね。
My look, I
その
reached
肉
my
食った
house.
だけ肉食
My
ってだ
house
け
is
ど
near the lake.
はい。
So I can
お
go
ー
there.
すごいじゃん
はい。はい。And guys, this is, oh no. Yes, sir, dear one. This is gonna be a very boring video of me camping at base. I'm not sure about you guys, but I'm actually not sure if you guys want some action or not, so I'm gonna choose no action. Yo, 139, man. Bro, people are gonna hate me for this. I'm just literally gen camping. So I'm the only one with iron armor. Come on, eggs, hatch, boys. Lol, you deserve. Okay, you deserve. Okay, you deserve to be reported. Oh, okay, not me. I shouldn't blame him. I regret my decision. I mean, that's what Uzis do, don't they? They love stealing kills for some reason. So, is this thing gonna get cheaper or not? So basically, I'm gonna get in that. So, is anyone gonna get tier 2 or not? Bro, I need tier 2. Those eggs are cute. Dang, this is a trouble kit, bro. I need diamonds and emeralds. Oh yes. Instantly teleporting. Escapes. Yes, cheap. 32 iron. Oh! So, tier 2 boys. Oh my gosh, this is getting so boring already. I can't break it? Wow. I've been camping here for ages. I'm getting bored. Bro, I like games which have some action, not just camping, putting chickens. Oh, that was a total accident. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with this chicken, but I'm pretty sure it would despawn if I just randomly place it somewhere. So, I'm just gonna keep it in my inventory until then. Okay, when is this thing gonna turn to M's? Now, bro. I need a tier 3, bro. Yep, these wormholes will be useful now. That's 3 chickens, bro. So it is true, like whether you is bro gonna jump down and kill me? I don't think so. He's probably gonna die. And that's probably gonna be a very rash decision. Yes sir, eggs, bro. No one robbed my chicken farm. No. Eggs. I love the eggs. That's called a chicken farm. Is he trying to kill my chickens? I don't think you can kill your own teammates' chickens, boy. Like what I said, it is not possible. Yeah, I have 1 kill, bro, which is a diamond. Oh, he's spamming arrows! Wow! Of course, bro. Yes, sir. Tier 3. 75. Oh, okay. I am sure. I'll take it. Yo, bro. M's. Tell me if any, bro. Guys, tell me if, type in the chats if this video was quite long and took ages for me to get chickens. Okay, I can't break that one. Bro, I'm doing absolutely nothing but camp. My teammates gotta hate me, right? fogging up everything. 2. Oh, sorry, there's a very noisy car outside. Oh. My God, Lawrence. Okay, 1 damage. Okay. But this is the chicken farm. When are they selling it for 2 M's? Then I can sell it and get rich. And get literally emerald armor. No, don't harvest. I'm not. Now let's see what this chicken will do. Lenny. Lucia. Let's see how much damage this one chicken will do. Oh yeah, I forgot I can climb. Wee! Eloy. That chicken's good, bro. Doesn't even need emerald armor to do it. Diamond armors are good enough. Just ain't possible. Bro, imagine how much damage I'll be doing with a chicken army, bro. Upgrade. Upgrading the era. I'm not hacking, Lenny. Lenny be like, I'm not. Perfect time to change to. Okay, so this thing is not. I'm not hacking. Lol, I can't stop saying that. You know what? I'm just gonna jump camp. My team is annoyed that I'm camping. No. They're not typing anything in chats. There's a bunch of loot. Oh yes. Okay, I thought there was an opponent, but I don't think opponents can teleport to your base. Yeah, that is technically not possible. Yes, what do you want from me? Like standing in front of my ass and then. Bro, what? Come on, quickly spawn before they change the price tag again. Bro, trying to destroy my chicken farm. It's just a waste the bro. After all, I'm pretty sure you can destroy teammates' chicken farm. Oh, I didn't know that's possible. Bro's trying to suffocate me for gen camping. For 11 whole minutes. Okay, I don't think I'm in camping for 40 minutes. You know guys, this is part 1. I'll move on to part 2 soon.